Bros, please, I need financial assistance.
The way they even talk safe. You know get normal manner of approach.
No vex, please. I really need that money.
Now you're talking. Like how much did you say you need now?
20 million.
20 what?
20 million.
20 million. As you they see me, I look like person will get 20 million.
Yeah, change that to 19.5.
You dey mad? 19 point. You dey mad? You no even see 1,000, I be 10,000, I be 5,000. Ask you, they ask me for 19 point from 20 million to 19.5.
No, I really need that money.
Continue. I not get much now because I be nice man. I feel give you 10,000. You go manage am.
I go manager.
Yeah, give me account number.
Many things.
Send.
Yes, I've seen. Sing, thanks.
Sing thanks. Now so then they appreciate.
Hey bros, I will come. I be want tell you something. That time we be the tell me say I not get manner of approach. Bro, I want tell you something. Just say now because say you dey help me. I no fit tell you say this thing. So now because say you dey offer me service. Your mouth dey smell.
Jesus! My mouth dey smell.
Yeah, but now you dey offer me service. I no fit tell you, but always dey try dey brush abeg. Now you dey offer me service.
Now me dey follow.
Okay, shut up abeg.
No be your fault. No be your fault. Now because I don't transfer 10,000. What?
He shot you.